Samsung has a free tool that makes moving to a new Galaxy phone way easier. But you might be wondering, what exactly is the Samsung Smart Switch app? How does it work? And is it actually worth using? In this quick video, I'll break down what it is, how you can use it to transfer your data, what it can and can't move, and a few tips to make sure your transfer goes smoothly. Let's get into it. What is Samsung Smart Switch app? The Smart Switch app is Samsung's official data migration tool. It's designed to help you move everything: contacts, photos, apps, messages, and even settings, from your old phone to your new Samsung Galaxy. It works across platforms too: old Samsung to new Samsung, any Android phone to Samsung, or even from iPhone to Samsung. And the best part? It's completely free. How does Samsung Smart Switch work? You've got a few options. Wireless transfer. Put both phones side by side, connect over Wi-Fi, and move your data. USB cable transfer. Use a USB-C to USB-C or an adapter for the most stable connection. PC or Mac. Back up your old device on a computer with Smart Switch software, then restore it to your new phone. External storage. Use an SD card or USB drive with an OTG adapter to back up and restore. So no matter what devices you're switching from, there's a method that works. What can Smart Switch transfer? Here's what usually moves without issues: contacts, call logs, messages, photos, videos, and music. Installed apps, or suggestions if the app isn't on Android. Home screen layout and device settings. What it can't do. There are a few limitations. Encrypted app data, like WhatsApp chats, usually won't move. Apps that aren't available on Android won't transfer. Game progress is hit or miss. Often you'll just get the app installed, not your saved data. Still, for most people, 90% of your digital life transfers just fine. Tips for a smooth transfer. Charge both phones to at least 20% battery before you start. Keep them close together if you're using wireless transfer. Don't close the app until the transfer is finished. If something fails, try a cable connection. It's usually more reliable. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So what do you think? Would you use Samsung Smart Switch for your next phone upgrade? Or do you prefer manual setup and cloud backups? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech explainers that actually make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.